So just taking a really quick look at XRP on the daily time frame. It's been a little while since I've checked it out, but as we can see, really just looking like it's not doing too much. It's just still going sideways and consolidating. You can see we came down here to around that 50-cent mark again, which has always been a very, very strong point of where the price would tend to come to and either be a good resistance or a good support. You can see many times here we've come into this area and it's been a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. We came down and we did actually get a fair amount of support in this area, and now looking like we're getting support in this area again as we continue to the upside just this year, or at least since this bear market low down here around 30 cents. We've basically just been continuously making higher lows. Obviously not been the most interesting chart. There's not been a huge pump or a huge turnaround for XRP, apart from when we obviously saw this SEC case news followed by a really aggressive dump and return to these lows here. But overall, XRP for me is looking fine. It's doing what it needs to do. It's obviously just moving in line with the overall market right now. Came down to this swing low and now having relief, heading back up towards this area here in anywhere from 60 or 70 cents. It's probably going to be a reasonably good target for XRP in the short term. The case being fully resolved and settled this year seems fairly likely to me. Obviously, if that's the case, we're going to see XRP having a very nice unshackled move to the upside, in my opinion, or at least a shitload of volatility. So we'll see what happens next, but obviously right now, XRP is still chilling, going sideways, looking like really it's in that very long multi-year consolidation and coiling pattern like this. And if we do see ourselves coming up and clearing out this multi-year resistance here, coming in at around currently 121, 122 here. If we come up, flip this 618 level and start to move and break above this level here, we're going to be heading up to some all-time highs pretty soon, in my opinion. It does seem fairly likely to me that XRP will see this happen, considering that it's got some really nice catalysts, and obviously last bear bull market it was shackled by the lawsuit against Ripple. So interesting to see what happens next. I do think that this is looking pretty damn good, to be fair. You can see this resistance here, the break, the back test, and now the consolidation. Really, we are looking for more upside soon. The halving is in a few months, so let's see what we get.